Shankar, what happened?
The lady receiving the Padma Shri from the president is Chennamma, my immediate neighbor in my village. I know her since my childhood days. The grace and energy she carries always amazed me. I was about 5-6 years old when my friends and I were playing in the backyard. We lost our ball and I eventually spotted it fallen in the house next to mine. As I ran to get the ball, I saw a lady probably in her 20s digging the ground and planting something. She saw me, returned the ball, and smiled strikingly at me. I used to see her planting saplings or seeds all the time. She was regularly mocked by villagers, and the reason was simple. Why waste time cultivating land for trees you won't reap benefits of? She ignored all the mocking and kept planting trees every day. After completing my graduation, when I returned to Gubbi to see my parents, I saw Chennamma near the highway nourishing trees and plants, all planted by her and her husband Ramana. I gathered my senses and decided to ask her the reason for nourishing trees that are located so far away from where she stayed. Trees whose fruit she would never bear. She replied that one day I would find the answer to my question all by myself. She gave me the same striking smile of hers and continued working. A couple of years later, my family and I left Gubbi, and I haven't heard about her ever since. Today, I see her in this position where she has planted millions of trees and is being appreciated by the whole nation. She has hugely contributed to this rapidly urbanizing country where the importance of forests and greenery is diminishing, if not forgotten. I'm just astonished to see her having come so far, and that her hard work has not only served her family, her neighborhood, and her village, her contribution has impacted the whole nation. Thank you, Amma.
Beta, how was the school today?
It was good, Papa.
Wow, very good boy. Shall we go?
Yes. Why so much of traffic?
Beta, Bangalore has grown so much, right? Everyone have own car and some have 2-3 cars. So many two-wheelers. So it's very bad. People should use public transport, right, Beta?
Papa, why can't we take the bus?
Beta, it's our social status and buses very crowded and not good. So I don't like to go in the bus. It's that's good, right? Big car, it's good. What do you say?
Papa, which floor?
First floor, Beta.
Papa, why can't we take the stairs? Why is the system is on? In a home, every day you will tell to me to switch off.
It's okay, Beta. It's office.
Papa is wrong this one.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
That's all.
Okay, enough. Wait, I'll get you a napkin here.
Papa, I don't need the tissue. I already have my own napkin.
Thanks, guys, for coming here. So I'm happy to announce that we have a fantastic result this year. So that means you all are going to get great bonus. Enjoy and have a great weekend. Beta, have some water.
No, Papa, I already have my own water bottle.
Advik, let's go.
Papa, lights.
Hi, this is Amina Khan reporting live for News 2.0 from the biggest dump yard of the city. The world produces 380 million tons of plastic waste every year, out of which 16.5 million tons of plastic waste is produced from India. Today, only a fraction of plastic is getting recycled. The rest of it is cutting our land and ocean like a disease. As we can see, from one bird alone, 234 pieces of plastic were found. Imagine the amount of destruction we are causing. So, if possible, refuse the usage of plastic. If you can't refuse, reduce it. If you can't reduce it, reuse it. In the recent past, there has been a vast increase in forest fire. Amazon forest lost 2.5 million acres of land due to forest fire. 250,000 acres of land was lost in California forest fire. 10,900 acres of land was lost due to Bandipur forest fire. Forest fire in India has tripled this year. The world is burning. Due to this, there has been a huge impact on the oxygen level and most of the species have become extinct. Be it Amazon or Bandipur, no forest is safe. Air is one of the basic necessity of any living creature. But now, all we breathe is smoke and dust. Air quality index of New Delhi is 25 times worse than that of Toronto. Delhi is 14.3 times worse than the basic air quality required. Air mass gets trapped because farmers burning their field for their new crops. Fuel consumption has increased because of mass usage of private vehicles. A recent survey in Delhi shows that people prefer to spend money to breathe fresh air rather than spending money on medicine or going to a doctor. We sold our land, we sold our water, and now we are selling air. Polar ice is melting, sea level is rising. Sea level is expected to increase by the end of this year. This will create an exponential effect. 2 meters of sea level rise has been predicted by 2050. Which will have a deadly impact on major coastal cities like Mumbai, Chennai and New York. Major cities like Bangalore, Chennai has lost majority of their lakes due to urbanization. You don't get water even if you are ready to pay. It will be the situation soon.
Hey, how's your health now? Last week you were not feeling well, na? Did you go to doctor?
I just forgot the reports. I'll check now. Wow, I got promoted.
Whoa, so nice.
The Rasgulla, I want Rasgulla.
I'll get it for you.
Oh. Hello? Yes, I was about to call you. So, what about the report and all? What happened? Are you sure?
Use organic sanitary napkins.
Save animals. Don't waste food.
Save environment, don't use plastic. Throw plastic, use cotton bags.
Don't waste food. Cycle to work.
No plastics.
Carpool.
Unplug your device and try to save the energy.
I pledge not to use single-use plastic.
Adopt your pets. Don't shop for them. Save animals.
Go green!
Don't waste water.
Don't waste food.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
So we're only borrowing the earth from the children of the future.
Less pollution is the best solution.
At the end of every day, please shut down your systems.
Go green, save green!
Plant a tree.
Go green, save green!
Think before you print.
Don't waste water.
Don't waste food! Avoid paper napkins! Energy save, energy produce! Plant more trees!
Let's breathe.
Let's save our earth.
Carry your own water bottle.
Please plant a tree.
Save a tree.
Avoid plastic.
Think before you print.
Plant a tree.
Don't waste food. Don't waste water.
Save the sea.
No plastics.
Hi, I'm passionate about plastic and minimising plastic, whether it's at the home or, more importantly, wouldn't it be great if Atkins can be at the forefront of taking plastic out of construction and infrastructure?
And I think on that, interesting, last time I was in India and I travelled to Mumbai and back, coming back into Bangalore, the airport here has got rid of single-use plastic.
Please stop the use of single-use plastics.
Promote rainwater harvesting.
Use public transport.
Cycle to work.
Stop using single-use plastic.
Save the environment. Don't waste the water.